Howdy, it's Harvey Half Price, here to help you enhance your space without the extra cost. Before you install your new roller blinds, you'll need these 4 things. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Determine the front and back of the blind and lay the rolled up blind on a flat surface. Step 2. Determine the correct side for chain operation. Then feed the bead chain into the chain drive, opening from the front for standard roll or from the back for reverse roll. The chain joiner will be used to join the chain after installation and will also act as a top stop. Do not cut the chain at this stage. Step 3. Slot the idle end into the non-operational side, then slot the chain drive into the control side. Please note, if your blinds are over a certain size, you'll be supplied with adapters and helper springs. Additional instructions will be included. Step 4. Fix the brackets using supplied screws or with additional fixing parts if required. Then, hold the brackets in your chosen mounting option. Use a pencil to mark the screw locations and pre-drill the screw locations. If the blind is installed on a window frame face, bracket covers can be slipped on. If the blind is installed inside the window frame, covers are not used. Step 5. Insert the idle end first, then while holding the chain drive side of the blind, gently apply pressure to the spring-loaded idle end and slot the chain drive into the bracket. Make sure the 2 locator hooks align, then snap down to secure the blind in the brackets. Please note, the chain drive must be mounted in a position on the brackets that allows the chain to fall directly down. Step 6. To determine chain length, a complete loop should be made finishing 300 mm from the bottom of the blind. Cut off any additional chain with scissors. Step 7. Place the last ball from the bead chain into the first slot of the supplied chain joiner. Place the last ball from the other end of the chain into the other ball slot and snap the chain joiner closed to create a complete loop. Step 8. To meet international child safety standards, you'll also be provided with a safety device, which must be fitted to the chain and secured to the wall. Simply follow the detailed instructions provided with your blinds to install it correctly. If you've been supplied with a dual bracket kit, follow steps 1 through 3 mentioned earlier. When it's time to install the dual brackets, first determine the chain drive side per blind. There are 4 different options to choose from. The chain diverters have left and right markings, so simply slide the appropriate diverter on as shown. If you need to remove the diverter, a screwdriver can be used to wedge up from the bottom. Once your brackets are installed, please refer to the remaining steps to install each blind. If your order includes heavier blinds, a spring assist will be supplied. To install this, please refer to the instructions supplied with your order. That's all there is to it. If you have any further questions, give us a call or send us a message anytime. Toodles!